Let's talk about what's actually happening in China sourcing right now. Because if you think prices haven't gone up, you're not paying close enough attention. Factories are raising prices, but they're not doing it openly anymore. A few years ago, suppliers would say material cost increased. Price goes up 10%. Today, they don't say that. They change the rules instead. Here's how it really shows up. First, MOQs are going up. The unit price looks the same, but instead of 1,000 pieces, now they want 2 or 3,000. That's not a small change. That's more cash locked in, more inventory risk, and slower cash flow. Second, specs quietly change after sampling. Your sample looks great. Bulk production, slightly thinner plastic, lower density foam, different internal components. Nothing obvious in photos, but enough to affect durability and returns. Third, costs that used to be included are now broken out. Packaging, manuals, inner trays, labels. Your invoice grows line by line, while the unit price stays unchanged. Fourth, lead times stretch without warning. Factories prioritize larger buyers. If you're smaller, your order gets pushed back. No penalty, no compensation. You just lose time, launch windows, and momentum. Now, here's the part most buyers don't understand. This isn't factories being dishonest for fun. This is factories protecting themselves. Labor costs are higher. Environmental inspections are stricter. Financing is tighter. Margins are thinner than buyers realize. So factories shift the pressure downstream to you. And if you don't manage this properly, your profit disappears quietly. So, how do serious buyers respond? Rule number one: stop comparing suppliers by unit price alone. Compare total landed cost, packaging, lead time, rejection rate, rework risk. Rule number two: lock specs in writing before production. Materials, weight, thickness, components. If it's not written, it's flexible. And flexible means cheaper for the factory, not for you. Rule number three: negotiate structure, not just numbers. Payment terms, production priority, quality tolerance. Those protect your margins more than shaving cents. Rule number four: treat sourcing as an ongoing relationship, not a one time transaction. Factories reward predictable, professional buyers, not aggressive bargain hunters. If you're sourcing in China today and you're only focused on getting the cheapest quote, you're already losing money. You just haven't seen it yet. Follow SourcingXpro for real China sourcing insight. No theory, no recycled advice, just what's actually happening on the ground.